What's up, guys? I want to say a quick thank you to all of you watching, to all of your support, guys. Obviously, I make these videos for you, but you give me back so much with your comments in the comment section below and your interaction, your subscriptions, guys. We're almost at 500 now. I've been doing this for 5 months now, coming up to 6. So that's just below an average of 100 subscribers per month. Guys, I did not expect that. If I tell you the God's honest truth, I had a target when I started this page 5 months ago, and I said if I get to 200 subscribers by the end of the year, that would be golden. Guys, we're now at 500, so we've blown past that target of 200 by the end of the year. I want to give a special shout out to a few of you who consistently engage in the comment section below. Guys, I love it when you engage in the comment section below. It lets me know what's working, what's not, and gives me ideas genuinely for next videos, and also encourages me a lot. So first up, Lazar Ooh. Obviously that's not your real name, but that's what I know you by. Mate, I see you in the comment section consistently, pretty much every video. You are a legend. Thank you for all of your comments and your encouragement. I really appreciate it. Lee Williams, I see you in there a lot as well. Thank you. Fifi Finance as well. Thank you very much. And Bavik Nai. I think I'm butchering your surname, so forgive me for that. But thank you, guys. Everybody else, thank you as well for watching. Subscribe and interact with me in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys, and enjoy today's video.